Is your TikTok account permanently banned? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how you can unban your TikTok account on your iPhone. So let's get started. Unfortunately, if your TikTok account has been permanently banned, it is very difficult to get it back. TikTok's policies state that permanent bans are usually not reversible. However, you can try the following. Open up your Safari browser, then type and search TikTok support. Next, tap on the Report a Problem. Then select the option General Account Inquiry from the drop-down menu. Now select Banned Account from the drop-down menu. Now enter your email address and username. Next, describe your problems in the additional details box. Like, "Hello TikTok support team, I'm sorry if I violated the community rules. Please unban my account. Here are my information." Now here, mention your email and username again. If you have any attachments, then upload them here. Then checkmark both the boxes and finally hit the submit button. TikTok support will mail their feedback within 48 hours. If it is eligible for your account, then only TikTok support can be able to unban your account. If your appeal is unsuccessful, you may need to create a new TikTok account. However, be very careful not to violate any rules, as this could lead to another ban. So this is how you can unban your TikTok account on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have anything to ask, please let me know in the comments. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.